Hey, my name is Beach Troll. Thanks for stopping by my channel. If this is the first time you're here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. In today's video, I'm just gonna show you a little tool that I recommend. It's for checking your tire tread wear to make sure that your treads aren't getting too low and your tire might need to be replaced. It's a tire thread depth gauge. It's very simple to use. It only cost, I think I paid $4 for this. It has this pin and this black bracket, and all you do, you put the pin in between your tire tread and just let the black bracket touch the tread, and then you'll get a reading. If it's in the green zone, that shows that your tire has ample thread left. If you see that it's in the yellow zone, that means you have minimal tread remaining, so you're going to have to replace your tires shortly. And if it's in the red zone, that means you have no tread wear left and your tire should be replaced. Now you want to do this on all four of your tires just to make sure that you have ample tread wear left on your tires. It only takes 5 minutes to do this, so I highly recommend that you pick up this tool and do this quick test. I'm not getting paid or anything for this. I just figured it's a good tool to have in your toolbox. Something that's kind of funny, I kind of chuckled to myself. I never looked at the back of the box on this, and I just read it, and it says, to avoid danger of suffocation, keep away from babies and children. So suffocation is spelled wrong, so I assumed that it was made in China, and yes, it was. When you're taking your measurements on each tire, if other tires are at a different level on the gauge, that'll show you that you have some other issue going on with your car. You might have front end work that might need to be done in the suspension, or you might need a wheel alignment, so just keep that in mind. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, I'd appreciate it if you maybe give it a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.